What is up, YouTube? If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you've been here before or already subscribed, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about these two new air intakes that I've added to my C43. And from what I know, these seem to be the best cold air intakes for this platform. These are simply just regular air intakes, but on this platform they serve as cold air intakes. And as you can see, they're mounted just right at the front of the engine bay. Just going to show you guys real quick. A lot of people wonder if they should be getting air intakes or cold air intakes for their cars as modifications. And in my opinion, and from my experience, I feel like they're totally worth it. My IATs are completely low. Throttle response is significantly better than it was before. And I think it's added a little amount of horsepower, because what other reason, why also my MPG be lowered? My driving style hasn't necessarily changed, and my gas mileage is slightly lower. That's a bad thing and a good thing depending on how you look at it, but I feel like air intakes are totally worth it. If you have the W205 C43, I highly recommend getting these air intakes as a cold air intake for your car, because these are really good. I highly recommend them. No regrets whatsoever. I'm going to be showing you guys some drive-by clips real quick. Just stay tuned. And before I do that, I'm just going to show you guys how the car's sitting right now. I did add some lowering springs to the front and back, H&R lowering springs, and the ride quality is pretty good, but I'm not going to be going into that in this video. I'll be covering that in a different video, in the modification video, so stay tuned. If you guys like what you see so far, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I do have a bunch of content coming out, so make sure you turn your notification bell on and leave a comment down below. Let me know what to add to this car next. I have mentioned in my previous video that I'm going to be upgrading the interior lighting in this, specifically for nighttime POVs. It's going to look different. It's going to look a little bit different. So yeah, if you guys love what you see, and make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Love you guys, appreciate you guys for riding with me so far. It's been an interesting journey, and I have a lot of things that I want to do to this car. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy. Peace out.